Well, Dr. Nate here. I am going to bring to you today the 3 top things that you need to know about back pain and to get you on the road to recovery. All right, let's jump right in. Number 1, pain relief strategies. So, pain relief strategies can include ice, heat, massage, TENS units, acupuncture, stretching, exercise, all that type of stuff. So it's really important to find something that you can do that is in your control to help relieve symptoms. I hear a lot of people that tell me I can't find anything that works for me, but oftentimes they haven't tried a few of these other things, or they're not recognizing that, oh yeah, this one does help me in the short term. Pain relief strategies, these guys, and I did mess up down here, over here, they are not meant to be long-term solutions to the issues you're having, okay? They're there to help you when there are flare-ups, and that's what they're there for. So anyways, number 2, I am human. I scratched it out and didn't want to waste more paper. So number 2, exercise frequency, intensity, time, and type. So this is the FITT principle. It's a principle of strength and conditioning. And I hear this all the time that exercise, people tell me, exercise doesn't work for me. It didn't work for me. I can't do exercise because. Well, as you can see, there are 4 different modes. And actually there's another one too, but there's 4 different things that you can manipulate, 4 different variables. So how often you're exercising, how intensely you're exercising, so how high does your heart rate get, how heavy is the weight, all that type of stuff. Time, how long are you doing it for, and then the type. There are endless amounts of types of exercise, from weightlifting to running, cycling, walking, swimming, hiking, yoga, chair yoga, Pilates, bar. There are so many. I'm sure I'm missing a bunch. Sailing, if you have a boat. So there are so many different types of exercise that you can do, and then there's also so many variations. So it's unlikely that you can't do any of those. It's just that you haven't gotten the proper combination of those to fit your specific case. So you need to make sure that whoever you're working with is going down that line of thinking to find you the optimal frequency, the optimal intensity, the optimal time, and the optimal type. Okay? That's the FITT principle. There you go. All right, next one, numero tres. I did this all on the same piece of paper. You should be so proud of me. Number 3, consistency and time. So if you have pain relief strategies, and you have the exercise frequency, intensity, time, and type, you have that dialed in, but you're not consistent and you don't give it enough time, it doesn't matter, because you have to give some of these things time. Especially if you've been dealing with pain for several months or several years, the recovery process takes a long time. It can take a while to figure out what works for you. So make sure to really reflect on these, see if there are specific pain relief strategies that you haven't tried yet. Delve into, if exercise doesn't work for you, if you just didn't manipulate those variables enough, and then did you give it enough time? Did you give it enough time under those principles? Because if you are giving it time and you're being consistent with things that are continuously hurting, then you probably need to switch up your frequency, intensity, time, or type. Okay? So that's all I got for you guys today. Thanks for watching. And as always, get strong, live well, and I'll catch y'all later. Oh, and make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. If this was helpful for you, make sure to share it around with your friends and family, because, a lot of people have back pain, and back pain sucks. So here to help, and see you later. Bye.